So today our topic is data models. So what is data model? Data model or database model is a logical frame in which data is stored. The model also describes the relationships between different parts of data. There are four types of data models. First, relational data model, entity relationship model, object-based data model, and semi-structured data model. We will discuss each and every model in detail later. First, relational model. In this model, data is organized in two-dimensional tables called relation. So tables are called relation. It has a collection of tables to represent both data and the relationship among those data. If one attribute is common for both the table, through this attribute, these two tables are related. So these columns are called attribute. And if one attribute is common for both the table, through this attribute, these two tables are related. Like department number attribute is same both for department table and for course table. Course number is same both for course table and for student table. And course name attribute is same both for course table and for faculty table. Our next model is entity relationship model. It is one of the popular model among all data models. First, entity. A set of objects that are distinguishable from others, like customer, account, then relationship. Relationship among entities are expressed using ER diagram, like depositor. Customer deposits in account. Next, components, like rectangle, which represents entity sets. Ellipse or oval, they are attributes of entity. Like attributes of customer are customer name, street, customer city, customer ID, and attributes of accounts are balance and account number say. Now, this diamond, it is relationship among entity sets and some lines which link attributes to entity set and entity set to relationship. So, it is a database banking system consisting of customers of the accounts that these customers have. Corresponding ER diagram is this. Our next model is object oriented model. So what is object? Instances or example of a class. So the class is box and the instances or examples are box B1, box B2, box B3, etc. They are objects. What is class? Data plus method or function is called class. Data can be accessed by the methods or functions associated with the object. Message passing is used for communication between objects. Java, C++, C# have become the dominant software methodologies and it follows object-oriented model. Our next model is semi-structured data model. The semi-structured model is a database model where there is no separation between the data and the schema, and the amount of structure used depends on the purpose. The advantage of this model is it can represent the information of some data sources that cannot be constant by the schema. So, in many applications, data does not have a rigidly and predefined schema. As for example, structured files, scientific data, XML, JSON, etc. So, what does semi-structured mean? Data that may be of any type, data that is variable in length, structure that can be rapidly and unpredictably changed, and finally, it is self-describing. So this is your homework. Choose the correct option and answer me in the comment section. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.